Hey there, curious minds. Are you ready to embark on an incredible journey through the wonders of the human body? Today we're diving into some fascinating facts about the human body that will blow your mind. Imagine a world within you where every cell, organ, and system works in perfect harmony to keep you alive and thriving. Did you know that your body is a complex and incredible machine capable of amazing things? From running marathons to healing wounds, your body is constantly performing miracles. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes, there's a whole lot going on that you might not even realize. Your brain, for instance, is like a supercomputer, processing information at lightning speed. Your heart pumps blood tirelessly, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. Get ready to explore the wonders of your own anatomy, because we're about to uncover some mind-blowing secrets that will leave you saying, "Wow, I had no idea." Did you know that your bones are as strong as steel, yet light enough to allow you to move with grace and agility? Or that your skin is constantly regenerating, creating a new layer every month? Let's get started. Buckle up, because this journey through your amazing body is going to be an eye-opening adventure. We'll explore how your digestive system breaks down food into energy, how your immune system fights off invaders, and how your senses help you experience the world around you. So stay curious and let's dive in. Ever noticed how one nostril seems a little more open than the other? It's not just your imagination or a random occurrence. This phenomenon is actually a fascinating part of how our bodies work. That's your nasal cycle at work. The nasal cycle is an automatic process that happens in our bodies without us even realizing it. It's a natural rhythm that alternates the airflow between our nostrils. It's like a tag team match, but for your nostrils. Imagine your nostrils as wrestlers taking turns in the ring. When one nostril is in the ring, it takes on the majority of the work, while the other nostril gets a bit of a break. See, our nostrils are separated by a wall of cartilage called the septum. This septum is crucial because it helps direct the airflow and supports the structure of our nose. And get this, about every 4 hours, the blood vessels in one nostril swell up, making it the main air pathway. This swelling is part of the nasal cycle and helps regulate the airflow. This cycle helps your nose do its job as a humidifier and air filter, making sure the air you breathe is just right for your lungs. Pretty cool, right? By alternating the workload, your nose can efficiently filter out dust, allergens, and other particles, while also humidifying the air to protect your respiratory system. So next time you feel one nostril more open than the other, remember it's just your body's way of keeping things balanced and efficient. This intricate system is just one of the many ways our bodies work behind the scenes to keep us healthy and comfortable. Whether you're exercising, meditating, or simply sleeping, your nasal cycle is hard at work, ensuring that your breathing is optimized for every situation. It's a small but vital part of our overall well-being. So take a moment to appreciate this amazing process. Your nose is doing more than just smelling the roses. It's a key player in your respiratory health. Pretty amazing, right? Take a look at your fingernails. See that little white crescent at the base? That's your lunula, and it's more important than you might think. The lunula is actually the visible part of your nail matrix, where your nail cells grow and harden. It's super delicate down there, so be careful when you're pushing back your cuticles. Protect that lunula and you'll have healthy, strong nails. Brushing your teeth is super important, but too much of a good thing can actually be bad. You know that enamel, that hard, shiny outer layer of your teeth? It protects them from damage, but if you brush too hard or use a hard bristled brush, you can wear it down. And once it's gone, it's gone. That's why your teeth can get sensitive to hot and cold foods. So be gentle with your pearly whites, and don't forget to floss. Ever wonder why some people are picky eaters? It might be because they're super tasters. We all have taste buds, those little bumps on our tongues that help us taste sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. But super tasters have way more taste buds than the average person. That means flavors are much more intense for them. Something like a cup of coffee might be way too bitter, or a piece of cake might be overwhelmingly sweet. Need a reason to give someone a hug? Here's a good one. Hugs are good for you. When you hug someone for more than 20 seconds, your body releases a hormone called oxytocin. Oxytocin is like a feel-good chemical messenger. It can lower your blood pressure, slow down your heart rate, and even reduce stress. So next time you need a little pick-me-up, give someone a long, warm hug. It's like a natural stress reliever. Take a deep breath in and out. Pretty amazing, right? Now let's dive deeper into the incredible journey your breath takes every single moment. When you inhale, air travels through your nose or mouth, down your windpipe and into your lungs. This process is so seamless that we often take it for granted. But there's a lot more happening beneath the surface. Your lungs are hard at work every minute of every day, taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. This exchange happens in tiny air sacs called alveoli, which are surrounded by a network of capillaries. Oxygen from the air you breathe in passes through the walls of the alveoli and into the blood in these capillaries. At the same time, carbon dioxide from your blood passes into the alveoli to be exhaled. It's a beautifully efficient system that keeps you alive and well. But here's something that might surprise you. If you stretched out all the airways in your lungs, they'd reach over 1,500 miles. Imagine that for a moment. That's like driving from New York City to Miami, Florida. These airways, known as the bronchial tree, branch out like the limbs of a tree, getting smaller and smaller until they reach the alveoli. That's longer than the entire Mississippi River. The Mississippi River is one of the longest rivers in the world, stretching about 2,340 miles. So the fact that your lung airways could cover more than half of that distance is truly mind-boggling. It gives you a sense of just how intricate and extensive your respiratory system is. And if you spread out the surface area of your lungs, it would be about the size of a tennis court. This vast surface area is crucial for the efficient exchange of gases. The more surface area there is, the more oxygen can be absorbed into your bloodstream and the more carbon dioxide can be expelled. It's like having a massive, highly efficient filter working non-stop to keep you breathing. That's a lot of space for air to move in and out. Every breath you take is a testament to the incredible design and function of your lungs. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember the amazing journey that air takes through your body and appreciate the complex system that makes it all possible. We might not be the fastest animals on the planet, but when it comes to long-distance running, humans are the champions. Our bodies are built for endurance. We have long legs, flexible feet, and an amazing ability to sweat, which helps us stay cool. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors used these skills to track prey and cover long distances. So next time you go for a run, remember you're tapping into your inner endurance athlete. Crying might seem like a bummer, but it's actually good for you. When you cry, your body releases stress hormones through your tears. It's like a natural way to de-stress. Plus, some scientists believe that crying might stimulate the production of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain. So next time you feel the waterworks coming on, don't hold back. Let it all out. Believe it or not, the human body actually emits light. It's true, we glow, but the light we give off is about 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can see. Scientists believe this faint glow is caused by bioluminescence, a chemical reaction that happens inside our cells. It's most visible in the evening and around our faces. So even though we can't see it, we're all walking around with a little bit of an invisible glow. Ever wonder how surgeons can operate on the brain while the patient is awake? It's because your brain itself can't feel pain. Now, that's right, the brain has a pain center, but it doesn't have any pain receptors of its own. So when you have a headache, it's not actually your brain that's hurting. The pain you feel comes from the nerves, tissues, and blood vessels that surround your brain. Pretty wild, huh? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts about the human body, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. The human body is a truly incredible machine, and there's always something new to learn about it. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and most importantly, stay curious.